guys, Shavante here, back with another video. So today I'm doing a wig tutorial. As you can see, I've already braided my hair. I think this is the best I've ever braided my hair, and I'm very, very excited. I braided it like twice because I did this side and then I did this side much better than I did this side, so then I had to re-braid this side. So yeah, that is what I did today. I don't know why I have so much energy, but I think it's because I'm doing a wig. I get really excited when I do wigs. I don't know why. I just love a good wig. I love dyeing my hair. I love doing wigs. So yeah, today we are doing orange. We're doing an orange wig, guys. Very exciting. It's orange with a twist, not gonna lie. Yeah, orange with a twist. So we have got a wig. It's a blonde wig from Ula Hair. It's got a little tag on it. 100% human hair, of course, and it is the length 22 inches. We've got a 22-inch wig here. I'm very excited. It's like a body wave, I think. I think I'm gonna do half watercolor method and half dyeing. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna figure things out. Anywho, we're gonna get to the dyeing bit, and I'll be I'll see you guys soon.
Here to the yeah.
Okay guys, so I decided not to film the dyeing process because I already have hard work editing as it is. I have dyed the hair and I have also curled it. I also did that off camera because it was, I don't know why I did it off camera, to be fair. I just thought it'd be easier just to do it off camera and then obviously brush it out because I already straightened it and stuff. So here we are. This is what the wig's looking like so far. I did a light orange in front and then a darker orange and then a red at the bottom, so it's kind of doing an ombre effect. I don't know, I like ombre. I've had a lot of people ask me how I do my wig cap method, and I'm going to show you guys now. Alright, so I'm going to do pull it over my ears basically, and I'm going to basically like pull it off my ear a little bit and make the tiniest hole, and then from there I'm going to cut upwards and then pull my ear out of that. I'm going to pull this as far on my forehead as I can, over my brows even. And I'm gonna just spray it. And I'm mostly gonna spray my forehead and not my hair. I mean, I'm gonna get my hair a little bit, but mostly just my forehead. So now we're going to cut along the band right here. And I'm literally just gonna pull it forward and make an incision right there and start cutting along, and I'm going to do that all the way till it gets to my ear and snip that off right there. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. I look really crazy right now, but that is literally all that you do. And then from there, you just literally lift it up and over your head. And that secures it. You just snip that bit because it's still attached. And that secures it from front to back. Alright guys, let's get started. So I have the wig right here and I'm ready to put it on. The curls at the back have fallen a bit. Not a bit, a lot. That's when I was trying to film my TikTok. I'm going to use my Sally Hansen Medium Glow Airbrush Legs. This is water resistant, so I'm going to spray this directly on the wig. This is to tint the wig on the inside. You've got to be careful with this, just a little bit, because it can get everywhere, basically. So I'm kind of pointing it far away as I'm doing it. If you do it too close, it kind of makes like a cakey mess on there, and I don't want that. So we're going to go in with the first layer of the Ghost Bond. I usually go in about halfway, but I think today I'm just going to go in full way with the Ghost Bond because I feel like every time I'm filming a YouTube video, I end up planning something. So I'm running out of time, and my mom's coming to pick me up to bring me to our house today. So I have things to do, and I kind of have to rush. So yeah, and I don't think I'm going to finish. I plan to do like a whole video of like makeup and like the wig tutorial, but I don't think I have time to do all of that today. So I might just do half of this and then finish it off tomorrow. Yeah, but I just want to get the wig on before she comes. So So that's the first layer done. I kind of like Ghost Bond because it dries so quickly. Like it literally, you put it on and it's over and done with. I can go with the second layer quite quick. Everyone's talking about Halloween. It's the 3rd of September, babe. Like it's not even freaking, it's not even the 1st of October yet. It's not even the middle of September. It's just turned freaking September. And everyone's already talking about Halloween and Halloween content. I'm gonna have to plan that shit. I feel like every year I'm like rushing myself. I'm gonna have to start planning my Halloween content now. I really want to try Bold Hold. I bought Bold Hold, but it was fake. And I ruined a wig, a whole brand new wig for this fake product. And I'm so irritated because it was meant to be waterproof as well. And I thought, yes, I can go in the shower with it, not worry about it. Like, but it was fake and it fucked up my new wig. And I was so irritated. Yeah, I fucked it up basically. Like all the wigs I've got are like fucked. I threw away a bunch of wigs the other day. Like, I think like 6 wigs because they're all like fucked. So I need a new batch of wigs basically. So I don't know why I was holding on to them because they were mashed. I was trying to say mashed and messed up at the same time, but they were messed up. So I don't know why I was holding on to them. So I threw them all out because they were just a whole mess. I feel like I messed them up in the washing process. I need to be more careful when I'm washing the wigs because you can definitely lose a lot of hair doing that. The COVID process, oh my god, the amount of bad wigs that they gave out is absolutely ridiculous, and I got sent a few. Some of them weren't my fault, but yeah. My card got full and I forgot that I already put this freaking the glue on. I'm being so extra. And I'm just getting my hot comb and using that to press the glue into my head. Oh my god, I hope these curls look fucking good because I took my time on them. I'm so glad that I redid these braids because I want this hair to look bomb as hell. And like my braids under here look good as hell. Like I can feel how tight they are to my scalp and I love that. Normally they're so fucking chunky and big and they look atrocious. Like you cannot even see my scalp, that's how bad they are. So, and that's the first time I do them. Like that's not even after a day or two, that's literally as soon as I do them. So I'm glad that they look good this time. Wait a second. I'm not sure what. Alright, so I was filming all this time and the camera wasn't on. I'm not sure if it stopped automatically or what. So I'm not sure what filmed and what didn't. However, I'm going to explain what just happened. Because like I said, I don't know what filmed and what didn't. However, I had tied my hair up and I just took it down. And yeah, I was talking for a while. Oh my god. Anywho guys, I literally just put concealer in the middle and that's literally it. Why does my head look weird from this angle? I hope it's just the camera. Anyway, yeah, I put concealer in the middle and now I am gonna leave this video for today and come back tomorrow with the finished recurled hair. And this curl looks so good. Look how good this looks. I'm so irritated. That's the only one that looks good. No, this one looks good as well, actually, I lied. This one looks really good. But other than that, I'm gonna come back tomorrow with the makeup and hair redone. It might be tonight, depending how I feel tonight, and what time I'll just be back home because my car is broken. I guess I'll see you guys on the flip side. It is the next day. And I'm just recurling it and I've got my pins in. Yeah, I thought I'd show you guys the curling process to make it easier. I don't have my lights on. I should probably turn my lights on. Oh my god, that is so bright. I have a migraine right now and oh, that curl's just doing the most. Turning my lights on is just a process. It hurts. So I've had my lights off this whole time just to make it easier on me. But yeah, I've just turned it on just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I curl my hair with my straighteners, mainly because I don't have a curler. But it does the same thing really. Oh, Lord. My head is hurting more already. I'm so done with having freaking migraines. Oh my god, am I just pulling out that curl? Yes, I am. Fuck. Okay, whatever. I don't really care at this point. Yeah, I'm so done with having migraines. Like, what's the point of taking medication if it doesn't freaking work? But yeah, that's me right now. Being a Debbie Downer. But yeah. I'm just curling my hair. This is how I do it. No, like, process about it really. It's kind of, I'm doing it quite messy right now because it's gonna get combed out anyway. So I'm not like being neat. I'm just, yeah, that's it really. I don't even know how to explain. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm laughing. It's probably because I'm putting no energy into what I'm saying right now because I don't know, that's how I feel. But yeah, that's just what I'm doing. So then I literally grab the curl as soon as it's curled and I twist it up as tight as I can, and I grab a pin and then just pin it. So yeah, I get the hair, then I twist the straighteners, and then I grab this piece right here just to make it easier, and then I kind of just like keep twisting it around. So it's kind of the same as how you would curl your hair with the curlers, but just with the straighteners. And my straightener is quite massive, as you can see. So yeah, I get big curls with this, not small curls. But it kind of does the job because when I comb it out, I get those big curls, which is what I kind of want. Oh, I let that go too early. That's alright. And then it gives me this nice formed curl here, and then I kind of like put my thumb at the bottom. You guys can't see, but yeah, I put my thumb at the bottom and kind of hook it up. Alright, I'm just going to speed this bit up and let you guys watch because I don't feel like talking right now. That sounds really bad because I'm doing a YouTube video. But I really don't feel like talking right now. The lights are way too bright. Everything's just bothering me. So I'm going to speed it up and let you guys watch because I feel like I don't really need to talk for this bit anyway. So yeah, I'm not gonna. So I look like one of those like judges, except with orange hair. But I am going to do my makeup off camera now, and then I shall see you guys to comb this out. Hopefully I don't mess this up in the meantime. But yeah, I'm gonna spray it a bit with some Got2b actually. I'm gonna spray it just to set it a bit. Oh, that's strong as hell. Okay. Whew. Wow. Be enough? Oh, Lord. Oh. All right. I am going to do my makeup off camera, and I shall be right back to comb this out with you guys. Hopefully this sets in place and does not unravel while I'm doing that. I'm gonna have to film this TikTok with my hair like this and try not to mess up my hair. This is gonna be lovely. Alright guys, we are back again and combing out these curls. I think I look so cute in orange. Like, I love it. I feel like every colour I do I get excited. But yeah, we are combing out these curls now. I'm just going to take out, I don't even know where to start, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to start from the back and just start taking them out. My battery and my camera is dying. I hope it lasts to the end of this video. gonna try not to mess up the curls as I do this. They pretty much stayed in. I used like my bonnet while I was doing makeup to kind of like keep the curls up. So I just put my bonnet around the curls and to make sure that my hair stays back as well, because I don't want my hair to like get in the way and get makeup on the hair. So I just kind of put the bonnet over the curls and the pins and everything. So, oh, that one fell out. That's in the back anyway, I'm not really bothered. Oh, oh, I'm excited. I feel like these are going to turn out so well. I decided to do like a simple graphic eyeliner. I'm always doing graphic eyeliner. I could have done eyeshadow. I did eyeshadow as well, but I don't know. I feel like I'm always doing complicated, and considering like I'm mostly focusing on the wig today and not really the eye look, then I just did a simple one today. Alright, I'm going in with my paddle brush and just brushing them out. Alright, it's getting as fluffy, it's getting the volume that I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and use my wax. So I'm just going to put that on the front. Might put some here actually as well, so that... Yes, Baba. Oh shoot. Didn't mean for all that to go there. Alright guys, I will decide whether I'm doing baby hairs or not, and I'll be back, I guess, with the finished look. I mean, it's kind of finished right now, but I guess we'll decide if we're doing baby hairs or not, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did not come back, and this is the finished video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.